Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove green screen using Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have two videos added to Project Bin in Premiere Pro. One is our background video and the other one is our green screen video. So first of all, we have to take this background video and drag and drop it to the timeline like this. So now we have added this video to video track 1. And take the green screen video and drag and drop it to video track 2, basically above our background video. Okay, next we have to remove this green screen here. So if I play the video, what we want to see is this background video where we have this green color. And to remove the background, to remove the green screen here, we have to navigate to effects here. And in the search box, type in a word ultra. And then under video effects keying, you should see this ultra key effect. Take this effect, drag and drop it on the green screen video in track 2. And then on the top left, you should see ultra key settings here. Find this key color and then select this color picker. Once you select color picker, navigate over the preview window and click once on the color that you want to remove. In this case, I have to select this green color. And once I do that, the green screen is gone. Now if I replay the video, that's our background video and the green screen video with no screen. Okay? Now, one other thing that you can do here is if you select this green screen video and navigate here on the right hand side under transform, you can also adjust position and scale. So these are basically just zooming in or out your objects. So you can adjust the zoom level, or you can reposition your object. Okay? And this is it, guys. I hope this is useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.